for all the non-vegetarian lovers. Now when we think of fried rice, at least for me personally, the first thing that comes to mind is chicken fried rice. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First step is to boil the chicken. For this, take 2.5 cups of water. For this, I'm using about 250 grams of chicken with bone. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt, some pepper. Next, add a few cloves of garlic. So cook the chicken till it's completely done. Turn off the stove. The chicken is cooked now. Remove the chicken pieces, cool them. So I have this beautiful chicken stock which is loaded with flavor. Now I'm not going to discard this. I'm going to use the stock to cook the rice. Now I'm going to cook the rice using the chicken stock. I've taken 2 cups of stock and 1 cup of water to cook the rice. So I've taken 1 cup of long grain rice or basmati rice. So I've washed the rice a few times. So now you can see the rice has absorbed all the water and it's almost cooked. Turn off the stove, close it and keep it for a while till we get all the other things ready. Now I'm going to shred the chicken from the bone. We're going to use the chicken pieces for the fried rice. Now I'm going to make the fried rice. Take a nice wide saucepan or a kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Add a few spring onion whites, a few beans finely chopped, 1 small carrot chopped, a piece of capsicum chopped, half cup of shredded cabbage. Mix all the vegetables well. Season it with some salt and pepper. The vegetables are cooked. Next, I'm going to add the eggs. Make a well in the center. Crack open 3 eggs. I'm going to season it with a little pepper. Just mix everything together. Now add the shredded chicken pieces. Mix well. So if you see, I'm making a very classic chicken fried rice. I'm not using any sauces here. But if you do want to use some soy sauce, vinegar, you can add to it and make it your own. Season it with some salt and some fresh ground pepper. Now add the cooked rice. So finally add a few spring onion greens and mix everything together. The chicken fried rice is done. Serve it nice and hot. So now you've seen how to make this delicious chicken fried rice. This is a great lunchbox recipe that you can pack for your kids' lunchbox. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.